Monday morning. Oh, they just settled down. Darn. The puppies are making up. Oh. I hear Star bark. Star was barking. He's very vocal. Lula's going to come out and have some breakfast. Oh, there they are. Gunner. See, look at they're starting to get up on their feet. See, Gunner, look at Gunner go. Go, Gunner, go. Oh, it's just a little slippery. You can do it, Gunner. Oh, you guys are so cute. I know. Mr. Vocal. I was like, where's my mommy? Good job, buddy. Good job. Look at you go. Good job. Yes. Oh, yes, Star. I expect their eyes to be opening soon. There's all kinds of happens at one time. There's Yogi and Butterfly. Morning, Star. I know. Where's Mommy? She's going to have her breakfast now. So she can keep feeding you guys, eh? Yeah. I know. Where's my mommy? Oh, popcorn. Look at everybody go. Look at everybody go. Blue. Oh, yeah. Oh, Okie dokie. Come on, Yogi. Here comes Blue. Pitter patter, let's get at her. Hey, good morning, Blue. Gunner's looking in the bowl for food. Oh, Star. Oh dear. No, don't put your neck on this big bowl. It makes you cough. Oh dear. Hold on a sec here. Gunner. Here. You don't stick your neck on the bowl. Look at you guys going. Hey, everybody's going. Good morning. Star's doing some yoga. Okay. Well, happy morning.